Okay, I'm going to show what it's like to share from my Photos app. So I'm selecting Photos, and then I'm going to pick a picture here. This happens to be one of my wife Vicky's favorite foods. And you can see the bottom left corner. There's a little rectangular button with an arrow on it, and that means a share button. So you click on that button, and then in this row right here across the bottom, you'll see there's various options for how and what I would do in order to share that photo, the photo with the blue check mark next to it. So I can pick AirDrop, messages, emails, notes, or any number of a host of other applications you may have on your device. There's also a set of options for favorites, people that you have sent messages to recently, and a bunch of different methods for how you might do that. There's also a menu down below with a bunch of other options for where you might want to share that photo to. But let's just pick messages for the time being. Click message, type in an email or name or contact, and I'm going to choose Vicky because I know she loves these corn muffins. I'm going to say this is your favorite. And I'm going to put a heart, and then all I have to do is click the send button, and that photo has been shared with another person via text.